save the souls. The souls are getting destroyed by the witch. The witch has to become more powerful. The more scarier it gets, the more powerful it gets. You might just have doing that.
This is not about me. This is about you. It has everything to do with you, ma. Dahil sa'yo, nagkakaganito ako. Dahil sa'yo nasira yung childhood ko. Because you love me.
But just destroy the monster for the witch. Did that monster spare me? Wait, what's that one? That monster that spares me looks like my friend. Might just destroy that monster. Maybe the job get affected. Don't worry, friend. I got you. I'm gonna save you, friend. Could you, my friend, hide the witches of the witch and the monster boss? Yo, what's up, Roblox? I know. Why do I cannot see you in here?
For a second chance, my Ilonggo girl.
Because you guys are a game. I know. Because we might just don't know the things we have. The things.
Register your details. Visit GMAnetwork.com/WatchWaveWin promo for the full mechanics. Is now open.
Is that you?
Of our face-to-face acting workshop for teens and adults, and the 360-degree
Spirit is still alive.
Get closer to your dreams with
Might save him,
Workshop. Enroll
but
now.
this might get him hard. I need the new fast. Or I need to get a cat to destroy that monster.